Hello there and welcome. If you know, you know. If we are in the car, it means something we are doing with the car. You know why you click this video and you know why you're here, because of the thumbnail. But if you don't know, front windscreen wipers. And obviously let's do not delay and go straight to Halfords. I know that background noise is everything else, and it's pretty sunny, and I look like half Chinese. Poggers. Now, blades, viper blades. You saw the size of them, and you saw at the back. You can always read the Bosch. Always tells you for what model car it is, which year and model car. Now, I couldn't show you in the store because this GoPro 7 is old and it does have such a good focus. So with the Bosch ones, it shows you which model and how to do it right here. Could I show you right now? It's right here. Mazda 6GH 087 1212. So from 2007 to 2012 models. So it's an AR 139S. We open this and we do the shaky. Hold up, I'll need both of the hands. There you go, you can see it was sitting right here neatly, and once you open it up, it blocks out. Small one and big one. Now let's go compare to the ones we have on the car already. Small one? Yep. I think this is already Bosch. See, I already have a Bosch ones. But this is, I guess, upgraded ones. Yeah, these are a little different. Yeah, let me show you this one. And the big one I'll show you on the stand. So how you change it on a Mazda 2010. Well, for you to notice, this is a Mazda 2010. You can see it. Where you see these three lines, you squeeze that with your fingers. Let me show you again. Squeeze and see, it comes all open. And then you lift and you push. And then you pull out. See, it's the arm. So as you can see, this slides in here and then it locks and flips. This is the old one. Now why I'm changing these ones is because it's starting to leave streaks right here. It's streaking the glass. If you can see that line and that line there. No, it's not because of this isn't wearing down or this is wearing down. This glass has been treated. This shouldn't happen at all. So this one is exactly the same. You can see this is the new one. Point. See, it has the logo even here. So it should go on like this. So push this what you opened through. Then you push this on top, like there, and slide it towards yourself. And you hear the tink and lock. That's how you change your wiper. That's how you change the wiper. Let me put you and show you on the side how it looks like. So there you go, that's how you change your windscreen wipers. You can see the Bosch logo is there, this one doesn't have it. If you liked this video and this video was helpful, of course smash that like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I hope I'll see you next video. Bye bye!